I would like to welcome everyone to the annual Onesquethaw installation banquet. I want to take this opportunity to thank the members and guests for coming out this evening and help celebrate and swear in our new officers. I'd also like to thank all the members for the time you put in, responding to calls, coming to drills, participating in company activities, and everything else that makes an organization like ours run effectively. We must not forget that our work is not possible without the support of our families and significant others. We may have our differences throughout the year, but when a call comes in, we all work together to take care of the problem. For our previous year, we responded to 73 fire calls and 186 EMS calls from June 2013 to May 2014. We are in the process of replacing our engine at Station 2, and at Unit 1 we are doing multiple renovations. I would like to thank our mutual aid companies for all their help throughout the year, the people who put this video together for us. Wow. There I am.
Talk about timing.
Wow, that worked nice.
Good job.
And our banquet committee who put this great evening together for us. I'd like everyone to enjoy their evening, drink responsibly, and have a safe drive home.
And please say your name where I present mine. I, Charles Hoteling, pledge upon my honor, faithfully and to the best of my ability.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. With authority vested in me as the installing officer, I hereby declare that the officers of the Onesquethaw Volunteer Fire Company have been duly and regularly installed the year 2014-2015.